Hi, today I want to introduce you to Intellias Data Stream, our new solution for getting data out of the cloud. One of the biggest requests we get from customers is the ability to access their database in the cloud. This can often be frustrating because there's no easy way for customers to extract data on their own. Infor does offer a few solutions to address this, but there's still quite a few gaps in the process. These delivered solutions can be costly and might not fit your business needs. To address this, you might need a dedicated resource that can customize the solution, but this learning curve can be time-consuming and still leaves customers frustrated with the maintenance of the system. Even if the delivered data lake extract fits customer needs, this solution only supports AWS and Azure databases, which leaves on-prem database users hanging. To address these gaps, we've developed the Intellias Data Stream. This application is a cost-friendly and user-friendly solution to give customers full access to their data again. The data stream uses replication sets in Landmark to send data to the data lake, where our API connects to a pre-built connector that can send data to any destination. Now, customers won't be restricted based on their database type and can freely pull and manipulate data with zero development needed. The best part about this solution is that it takes only 1 week to install and implement, and your data will be in the database by the end of the week. With this, we also include delivered content that covers 80% of customer needs, and updating data structures doesn't require any service or implementation. Our application has users in mind and delivers management dashboards and logs that make it easy to control the flow and setup of data into the database. As for the setup, the data stream consists of 4 important pieces. Pipelines that can be scheduled so that the data is consistently flowing into the database without anyone having to manually kick off the process. Our delivered schemas that make it easy for customers to get up and running and give them access to data quickly without having to put together their own requirements. Our software, which is installed on-prem to make the streaming of data incredibly fast. And we also include our logs and administration dashboards to give customers full control over their pipelines and allow for issues to be easily monitored and handled. Once the application is up and running, the system is easy to maintain and control. Customers will be able to fully customize and create schemas, which can be added at any time and come after the first week of installation. Pipelines can be scheduled to a minimum of 15-minute intervals to allow customers access to up-to-date data from the system. Along with this, progress and health of the application can be monitored on our administration pages and delivered logs that provide insights into the alignment of data between the source and destination, notify process issues, and display streaming schedules so that customers have full control over data flows. No database access? No problem. The Intellias Data Stream has a solution for every customer that is tired of restricted data access. Thank you for listening, and check out our website for more information on how to get connected to your data.